Bitcoin money in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28. By and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. BCH USD exchanges close $126.70 in an unobtrusive way. BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA, or so they generally thought. The exceptionally current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $140,586,137, which generally is very critical. The 4th of April 2023. In this article, we will fundamentally walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these often for the most part clarified something. What basically is momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. For the most part is BCH a genuinely wise venture, which explicitly is very critical. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so forth, really in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping truly profound into the BCH specialized examination, especially let us essentially discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which sort of is very critical, market examination in a genuinely huge manner. Over the very last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1.182,407,897,617 exceptionally further appearance. How over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1.182,407,897,617 in an essentially significant manner. The all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $52,294,939,930, which most certainly shows that, however, prior to jumping truly profound into the BCH specialized examination, all things considered, let us truly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations amazingly. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, which sort of shows that over the by and large last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1.182,407,897,617 sort of additional appearance. How over the absolute last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1.182,407,897,617, or so they basically thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03. Following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 2.13 and presently exchanging at 50 cents. Showing how BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA, which in a real sense is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a for the most part descending heading for present moment, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, or so they generally thought. Right now, a kind of broad essentially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which sort of shows that market examination, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money backing and opposition in a quite large manner. Backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, exhibiting how the essentially all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $52,294,939,930, which for the most part shows that yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the BCH specialized examination, truly led us by and large discussion about the genuinely current economic situations, which explicitly is very huge. Support generally is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of additional in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which merchants by and large become move commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize in every practical sense Key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how the very complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $52,294,939,930, which, all things considered, shows that yet prior to jumping truly profound into the BCH specialized examination. By and large, let us essentially discuss the ongoing economic situations, which truly is genuinely critical. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money execution. The genuinely current Bitcoin money value sort of is $126.70, with an exchanging volume of $140,586,137 in the truly beyond 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. Presently, BCH for the most part is somewhere around 0.04% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $2,452,438,507 USD. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is very huge. Bitcoin Money Value Investigation BCH Cost Examination for the 4th of April 2023 inside a day-to-day time period in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, showing how yet prior to plunging all things considered, profound into the BCH specialized investigation, in every way that really matters. Let us in every way that really matters, discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they most certainly thought. We utilize essentially relative strength index, moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving, truly normal and remarkable moving in every practical sense. Normal to for the most part examine the future development of the Bitcoin money, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. While BCH's Williams %R marker generally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign explicitly is by and large conceivable at this rate, which certainly shows that following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money execution. The fundamentally current Bitcoin money cost certainly is $126.70, with an exchanging volume of $140,586,137 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, which really is genuinely critical. The sort of relative strength list demonstrates that the BCH coin in every practical sense is an oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 25 in an especially enormous manner. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, showing how while BCH's Williams %R marker generally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange in every practical sense. Signal in every way that really matters is genuinely conceivable at this rate, which fundamentally shows that following essentially are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money execution. The genuinely current Bitcoin money cost certainly is $126.70, with an exchanging volume of $140,586,137